Hey, this is George with the Homebrewer and Home Brewing Co. in San Diego, California. Wanted to do a quick little bit on how to cap a bottle. Now, it's a really simple process. The cap that you purchase from a homebrew store will be what I call flared or sort of opened, and the bell on the capper is designed to pinch that onto your bottle. So this is what we call a wing capper, so you have these two wings like that, and then we have a bench capper here, and this is an old school capper that actually used to belong to my uncle. Anyway, so all I'm going to do is put this cap on there. I'm assuming that we're going to sanitize everything, all of that, but just showing you how it goes. Now, I can put the cap on like that, and then just push down. And the main thing, and I think this is where people get confused, is they think that once they've gone past that initial little pop, that they need to keep pushing down. You're done. Just leave it alone. You can inspect that, make sure it's there. If you want, you could kind of tip it upside down and make sure nothing's coming out, but that's it. Now, the bench cappers, you're going to do the same method. You just push down like that, and most of these are going to come with this adjustable little bit here, and this is just old school. It's just here for looks. All right, thanks. If you have any questions or need any feedback, just feel free to reach out to us here or anywhere else, and we'll get back to you soon.